Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing LG Soundbar. This is the SJ4Y 300W RMS, and I believe this was a $170 soundbar. These are all the things that come inside of the box. Right here, the manual. This is I'm guessing the audio cable, the optical cable, power cable. I don't know what it's for, but it's a power cable. And then we got another power cable right over here. Then there's an adapter, kind of looks like a laptop adapter. The remote control, which takes two AAA batteries. It's a small little remote control. It's nice, feels nice, looks pretty clean. It looks like a stand. Comes with two of these pieces. Next up is the soundbar itself. Not really heavy. Made out of plastic. The wireless subwoofer. Alright. Here's what it looks like. No metal parts here. No metal parts here either. There we have it. I'm gonna do a quick little setup and set this up and do a quick demo. The first ever boot up. Let's see, how do I know that this is connected? So if this is solid green, I'm guessing that means it's connected. Let's connect it to my laptop and play a song. Well, all I've done to turn this on and connect it to that was literally put the battery on this, and then turn it on, and then I think it automatically paired. Now I have my Bluetooth setting on, and this also just popped up. So everything setting it up is quite simple. Yep, there we have it. We connected it, we unboxed it, and connected it right away without having to read the manual, and it automatically did everything by itself pretty much. I just had to turn on the Bluetooth on my laptop and it connected, and this bass subwoofer connected to the soundbar by itself, which is really nice.